Hello everyone, welcome to a quick video on how to replace the battery on a key fob, this being actually a key card for the Renault Group card. So this is for a Megane, as you can see from the card itself. Megane. The battery required on this example is a CR2025. If you're not sure, don't worry, all you need to do, take the card, just slide this out like so. There's your emergency key to open the car if the battery runs flat, and there's the battery. Just take it out, and as you can see here, it's a CR2025 battery. So all you do, you take that, so the positive side up, maker's label, push that back in, slide that in there, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope that helped. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.